What if I told you you could make money even while you're sleeping? No scams, no overnight success lies, just real proven passive income strategies that actually work, especially in 2025. But here's the catch. Most people quit before they even get started. Why? Because no one tells them what actually works or how much effort it really takes at first. So, are you ready to stop chasing get-rich-quick schemes and start building real, lasting income? Let's dive in. First, let's clear something up. Passive income is not instant, and it's definitely not effortless at the beginning. It's like planting a tree. You water it, care for it, and wait. But once it grows, it feeds you for life. Have you ever tried something online that promised fast income, but gave you nothing? Yeah, we've all been there. Create it once and sell it forever. Ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, all of these are booming in 2025. Use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Could you write a 10-page guide on a skill you already know? If yes, that's your first product. No filming, no showing your face, just scripts, voiceovers, and editors. You earn from ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Some faceless channels are making over $3,000 per month with just a handful of videos. Idea number three, dividend stocks. This is where money literally works while you sleep. You invest in companies that pay you just for holding their stock. But remember, this takes capital and patience. Never invest blindly. Idea number four, digital real estate websites. Buy a blog or build one from scratch. Monetize it with Google Ads, affiliate links, or digital products. You can even flip websites like property using platforms like Flippa or Motion Invest. What if your blog earned $200 every month? Forever. Idea number five, print-on-demand stores. T-shirts, mugs, journals with zero inventory. You upload the design, they handle the rest. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful make it easy. In 2025, automation tools and even AI make this smoother than ever. Reality check. What no one tells you, here's the truth. Most passive income streams take active effort up front. You'll fail a few times. You'll doubt yourself. But if you stay consistent, you won't just earn money, you'll create freedom. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money you made while you were sleeping. Wouldn't that feel incredible? Don't just watch and scroll. Pick one idea from this video, just one, and start this week. If you got value, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, no hype money content right here on Wise Money.